Let's walk through the quick start guide to set up a brand new RunWhen workspace and the components inside of our cluster that we call a private runner to privately execute our tasks. First, let's just check to make sure that we have the right permissions to install the Helm chart inside of our cluster. Next, log into the RunWhen platform and create our brand new workspace. This workspace name does need to be globally unique, so when this provisioning is complete, we will use the name that has been generated for our installation. Here we'll set our workspace name in our terminal along with the Kubernetes namespace that we wish to install into. Next, we're going to add the RunWhen Helm repository and update it, followed by the installation of the Helm chart with the most basic settings. These can be heavily customized, but for the purposes of a quick installation, we'll take most of the defaults. Next, we're going to register our cluster as a runner location, which is going to generate a runner secret. Once we copy this into our namespace, the pods can reach out to the RunWhen platform and register themselves as a private runner location. Once that happens, we're just going to watch the pods. And here we can see this is very normal that they might be in an error or creating state. After a few restarts, they will all be running. Next, we can quickly tail the logs of the workspace builder component. This is performing discovery, generating configurations. It's going to upload those configurations to the new workspace. Next, we're going to go back to the workspace in the RunWhen platform UI, and we're going to wait for all of these objects to reconcile. Once they've reconciled, we can move over to Workspace Studio, and we can start to look through all of the objects that we have. Each one of these has pre-configured tasks that we can run inside of our environment. We can filter by labels, tags, namespaces, and so on. If you expand the object, you can see the tasks that are already available to be run and configured in the environment. Finally, we're going to move over to Workspace Chat. Here we can see that some tasks have already started running in the background, performing health checks. We can ask a very simple question, such as listing all of the issues that have already been identified inside of the environment. Workspace Chat will then investigate its data sources and present a response based off of all the data it's already collected in the last 10 or 15 minutes. And that's the quick start. It's a new workspace, our own cluster, privately executing the tasks in autonomous mode, and Workspace Chat answering questions about the issues it's already identified inside of our cluster. If you'd like to learn more, jump over to docs.runwhen.com to set up your own workspace.